Hey guys, it's me, Tommy, and I'm back again with another video. Temu has reached out to me and we decided to collab and do a haul for you guys. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys my $300 haul featuring products from Temu. Now, if you don't know about Temu, Temu is this amazing site that offers prices that's affordable, high quality, and also coupons. You will see that site-wide they have savings up to 90% off. They offer free shipping and free returns for up to 90 days. They accept all major credit cards, debit cards, electronic payments, pay later such as Klarna and AfterPay. Like, they have it all. Now, like I said, I'm a hair channel, so when Temu reached out to me to do a sponsorship, I went right to their beauty and health section just to select some products that I know will work for my specific channel. So obviously you come here for my hair tutorials, so why not show you guys some amazing products that you can work with your hair, as well as some hair products. On their beauty and health section, like, they have synthetic wigs, they have human hair wigs, they have clip-ins, they have tape-ins, they have bundles, they have everything, guys. So in this video, like I said, I'll be showing you some products that I picked up from them just to stay within the $300 budget that they gave me. Huge disclaimer, they gave me a budget and I'm sticking within my budget so I can give you guys a haul, because if I went out and got like those bundles, it would not be a haul. Anyway, let's go into the first product. So the first product that I picked out was this blow dryer. This blow dryer was pretty cool. It looks like the Dyson blow dryer. And in the blow dryer set, you're gonna get the box, obviously. Now, Temu, they like to stuff everything in the box, like everything in your package. So the box was a little wrinkled, but the product was still good. It's a diffuser as well as a blow dryer. So I have the diffuser part, I have some combs, I have the blow dryer part, and then also comes with this cool holder, which I really like. So you can just like tape it up against the wall and you can hold your blow dryer. And what I really like about blow dryers is the option to have like a cool button. So it has an off and on button as well as a cool button that you can hit. Now, with my natural hair, you always need a good wide tooth comb. They had these bad boys for 80 cents. So I'm gonna pick me up a wide tooth comb for my curly hair. Now, for my accessories for this video, I wanted to just wear Temu products. So I picked up this necklace set from Temu. I really like this link on it. Like, it looks like it's real gold, guys. Like, I really, really like it a lot. So you'll see me rocking this necklace in the video. Claw clips are like the it thing now. So of course I'm gonna pick up some claw clips. Why is that a tongue twister? So this cute claw clip, and what I did was I actually did this cute little bun look and put the claw clip on my hair. This hair is actually from Temu as well. You'll see it a little bit later on the video. So I'll just show you guys what the clip looks like. It's super pretty and I like the shell color on it. Now on TikTok, let me tell you girls, I saw this product on TikTok and Temu, of course, had it. So I had to go ahead and pick that up as well. Baby, let me tell you something. Now, when you're straightening your hair, you got to chase your hair with the comb. No, this is an adhesive comb that you stick on the back of your flat iron. And then you can just straighten your hair with the comb attached. Like, genius idea. So I'm just showing you guys how it works, and that adhesive is like really, really, really good. So if you're gonna try this on a flat iron, do it on a flat iron that you don't plan on taking that comb off. But you can see I could just comb and chase my hair. Again, this wig featured later on in the video. I did pick up a couple of shirts. You'll see me rocking it. I got this oversized t-shirt from their website. I am a size large. They have two colors. They have a black and a white. I picked out the white. You're gonna see just a small clip of me wearing it, but like I said, you'll see me wearing it throughout the video. And yes, I did throw it in the washer. Yes, I'm washing my clothes as soon as I purchased it online. I also got this Florida t-shirt, oversized t-shirt. I really didn't like this one too much because on the model, her neck was a little bit smaller, but when I washed it, the neck was like a little bit stretched out. It wasn't as tight as I wanted it to be, so I wasn't really happy with that, but it's a cute shirt nonetheless. Now, you need a mister in your life. And I got this mister for $2.47. It's a continuous mister. You can use it for your plants. You can use it for your hair. I love it so much. Of course, you're gonna need a mirror because you need to see yourself doing your hair. So I got this mirror that has 3 light settings and it's chargeable too. So it came in this box. The box didn't get that destroyed. It's really cool. I like the way that it tilts. And like I said, it has a USB charger on it and it does have light settings. It gets pretty bright. So pick that up. Now, if you're a natural like me and you're brushing your hair, you need a brush cleaner. So I also picked that up and I like the way, like when you scrape it in between the brush, it gets all that hair out. very sanitary. Again, I need some jewelry to rock in this video when I'm showing you guys my hair. So I just picked up this bracelet set for $1.87. I really like this bracelet set a lot. It's like super, super cute. And obviously it's more than one set. So I'm just showing you guys how the set looks. And again, you'll see me rocking it throughout the video because if Temu's going to sponsor, I'm going to be sponsored head to toe. Picked up a couple of bonnets for my head for when I do my braid styles. You can never go wrong with some long bonnets. So I picked up a couple of those. Now let's just get into these wigs. Now this is the first synthetic wig that I purchased. It is in the color 1B30 that I purchased in 18 inches. Now me with synthetic wigs, I'm like scared of wearing them because I feel like it's gonna look too synthetic-y, but you can never go wrong with like a curly synthetic wig. Now it did came with a wig cap that clearly didn't match my scalp, so I'm still gonna put it on because it's a full wig cap, and it also came with some earrings. So yeah, I still put it on because I mean it's a full wig. You're not gonna see the wig cap, but it is protecting my hair. So I'm just showing you guys what the wig looks like. It does have a couple of combs. It has the elastic band in it. So we're just gonna put it on our head and we're gonna get to work. So I'm pulling the curls apart just to give it a nice fluffy look, and I just don't look like Annie. Yeah, so I'm just gonna keep fluffing and fluffing. Now, I was so tempted to actually comb out the curls so it looks like how the model looked on the Temu website. But with synthetic hair, you know, it's synthetic hair, you know what I'm saying? So I don't wanna mess up the curls. Now I know that the more that you wear the synthetic hair, the more natural it looks, the more big it gets. So I didn't want to comb it out too much, but let me tell you something. This wig was given, like it was giving everything it's supposed to give. I love how bouncy the curls are. I love how I didn't have to do any kind of framing to my face. Like this wig was cut to perfection. All I did was fluff the curls out and I'm good to go. And I think a lot of these wigs that I purchased, the synthetic ones, are literally put it on your head, fluff out the curls, and you're good to go. I'm just showing you the middle part is more like a synthetic part. Not synthetic, but like a silk base. Now I did choose another curly wig. I wanted to go with black, but they didn't have it in stock. So I went with another 1B30. So it looks similar to the first one, but it's a little shorter. Again, it comes with the same things, a wig cap, some hoop earrings. It has the combs in the front and then the straps in the back. Now, like I said, this one's similar to the other one. I was already amazed because I knew this was going to like knock, like this was going to be the wig right here. And it clearly was. This again is another one. Like if I would have, I don't know why I didn't think about using the wide tooth comb that I also got from Temu, but I feel like if I would have fluffed it out a little bit more, it was gonna just be like that girl. But this wig, again, I had to do no cutting whatsoever. All I had to do was pull out the curls, and oh my goodness, like ladies, like get you this wig, like get you these wigs. Now you see the prices. They're not expensive at all. And it took me nothing but a good 5-10 minutes to just fluff the curls out, and I'm ready to go. You could just pick up like 2 or 3 of them. Like, it's amazing. Get them in different colors. Like, come on now. They're not even expensive. This is me feeling myself on Snapchat. Let's jump to the next synthetic wig. Now, this wig right here, let me tell you something. This is my wig. Like, I'm wearing this wig all summer. Like, this is my go-to, like, I'm bougie going to Trader Joe's wig. Now, it looked kind of crazy when I first put it on, but let me tell you another thing too. Fluff it out. That's it, just fluff it out, and it's going to be in like, oh yeah, just ignore that. But like, I had to do no cutting, and I stress the no cutting part because I suck at cutting. Like, I don't know how to cut hair at all. Like, yes, I have a hair channel, but I didn't go to beauty school. I don't know how to cut, and I don't know how to color. Like, these wigs are good. Like, you can be a beginner and still look fire. Like, look at me feeling myself. Like, I'm so feeling myself. Like, this is my wig, like my go-to. I can't just stress how much I love this wig. But yeah, that's enough of me rambling about this wig. Let's go into another plop it on and go. How creative is this, guys? It's a braided headband wig. It makes it look like you rocking box braids. Now, let me tell you, I work from home, so I barely do my hair. Like, my hair right now looks a hot mess. I need wigs that I can just put on when I'm ready to run to Target, when I'm ready to run to Trader Joe's, Sam's Club, Home Depot, Lowe's. I just need something to make me look cute and these wigs are doing it for me. Now, if you want a braided look, but you don't want to sit there and get your hair braided for 10 hours, believe me, I know because I braid my own hair, get you one of these. Look at this. It's a headband wig that looks like you have box braids. And what do? You just toss it up in a bun and that's it. Girl, you got box braids in 5 minutes. 5 minutes, like, and it has a drawstring, so if you want to make it a little bit tighter, you can see like I was really feeling this wig. Now, there were some hits and there were some misses, and this wig right here was 100% a miss. I could not for the life of me figure out how to style this wig. So when I first put it on, I was just like, why is it so small? Like, I really thought it was the ponytail that I ordered, and I'm just like, bruh, I had to go look at the picture to see if I was styling it correctly. Like, do I have it on the right way? It was just a struggle for me. I had to cut some pieces. I just was not able to make this wig work. Like, it just was not working for me. I was trying to shape it. I was trying to make parts in it. I didn't know what to do to make this wig kind of look like the girl in the picture, which I feel like the girl in the picture was not rocking a wig. I think that was just her natural hair. But obviously, you know, they use other people's pictures and put it in there. But that's besides the point. But I just couldn't get it to work. I feel like this wig aged me so much. But it is what it is. So there's that. I did opt for a straight headband wig because I really do like headband wigs, but this one was given synthetic. Like, it was giving synthetic on synthetic on synthetic. Like, the hair was too shiny. It was too straight. It just wasn't for me. So this was another miss. Wasn't really that expensive, but still, I just was not feeling it at all. Now let's go into the human hair wig. So I picked up this bob with a bang look. I remember seeing Tierra Walker have like this bang look, and it was so fire. Like, I have that picture in my Pinterest, so I always wanted to just rock a look like that. So for this wig, I just plopped on just to see how it was, but then I washed it, I blow dried it, and then I curled it, and it was given. Like, it was given. Now, again, I told you guys I don't know how to cut, and I didn't have to cut this bang or the bob whatsoever. I literally washed it, blow dried it out, put the flat iron in it. We was good to go. And I really like the texture. Like, the texture wasn't like super shiny. It just looks like Brazilian straight hair. Like, this hair was just like really good. So another put it on, let's go kind of wig. So here's the human hair section. It's given what it's given. Let's go to that ponytail. So I went and picked up the ponytail. Ponytail is kind of expensive, but again, it's human hair. 22 inches, it was $42.99. I think that ponytail is kind of expensive, but to you, you may not think that. But anyway, I did wash the hair prior to installing it. I'm just showing you guys what it looks like coming right out the pack. This hair definitely mimicked my natural 4C hair. This is me showing you guys me washing it. Because I feel like with curly hair, especially with me having a curly hair extension business, I do know that the way to bring the curls out is to wash it, and that's what I did. And you can see how natural and fluffy and just coily this style, this ponytail is. Matched perfectly with my hair. Like, it looks seamless. It looks like that is my hair. So I love this ponytail look. Now, the last wig, I actually don't have a picture of me taking it out the pack, but it's supposed to be a kinky straight wig with a closure. Ladies and gentlemen, when you guys are purchasing hair and it's human hair, please always wash it. As you can see, the water's a little brown because it's chemically processed. And when I washed the hair and I took it out, it didn't keep its kink. Like, it lost its kink altogether. I didn't like the way it looked straight, so I went ahead and just put some curls in it. I'm not good with lace, so the lace is lacing. You can see the lace, but I think I did a pretty decent job. I don't do the baby hairs and stuff like that. That's just not me, so I'm showing you guys a close-up. But for this, I just put some loose curls in it. It gave me some body. The curls actually held up pretty well. Like, it did a really good job, but I just wanted to do that loose curl, you know, going to Target kind of look to it. Yeah. So that's all the wigs in this video that I purchased, or the products that I purchased off of Temu. Temu, thank you so much for sponsoring this video, guys. Here's the code if you want to get any discounts using my code. Wink, wink, please use my code. I'll also have links to every single wig below. Also comment which wig do you like the most, and I may select you to win one of those wigs because I have too many wigs in the house, so I might just do a giveaway. So comment on which wig you like the most, And if you have any questions, link it below. Thank you, Temu, so much for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.